Complete gray coverage that lasts 4 to 6 weeks. Contains pure, natural henna powder. Restores strength and shine and helps stimulate hair growth. Hair type: normal. Reshma Henna Semi-Permanent Color Natural Wine Red, complete gray coverage that lasts 4 to 6 weeks. Contains pure, natural henna powder that restores strength and shine and helps stimulate hair growth. Safe to use before or after other color treatments. Top reviews from the United States. Really great coverage. I like the coverage it has for the few grays I noticed coming in. Also, it was quick and easy and didn't smell as bad as regular hair dye. I like that it doesn't have chemicals in it, and also there's some left for another dye later on, which is nice.